Hey, what's up guys? Look at this. I have iPhone 15 and today in this video I'm going to show you how to install iOS 27 beta version on your iPhone 15. So let's begin. So guys, for now I running iOS 26 on my iPhone 15. Now simply open Safari browser and simply go to Google and search in Google developer.apple.com and search. After search, simply tap on Apple Developer. Now simply scroll and first your device. Look at this. In which device you install iOS 27, iPad, iPhone or Mac. Now simply tap on iPhone. After tap on iPhone, simply tap on sign in and first sign in to your Apple account. Now after sign in, simply scroll and guys, after scroll in your device you can see enroll option. Simply tap on enroll option and after tap on enroll option now if you go to setting, then go to general, software update and look at this. On my iPhone 15 iOS 27 beta version update available. Now guys, remember, before update this beta version, backup your all data. Guys, for now I don't have enroll option on this website because I already tap on enroll iOS 27 on my iPhone 15. So you also update iOS 27 on your iPhone 15. I hope guys you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.